So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use an external hard drive with your Mac. Basically, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff here, but we have the Toshiba hard drive and we want to connect it. But as you can see, I don't have any USB inputs right up here. So how can we connect it? And to deal with it, we just need to use one interesting trick, one interesting device, which is called like USB hub. It has a lot of USB inputs and the output like the USB-C. So if we'll connect it right up here, for example this one, we can use our hard drive. So let me show you. It's a little bit hard with only one hand, but I will try. And as you can see, I've already connected my microphone, my mouse right up here, and I have one more slot for the hard drive. Let's try to find it somewhere here. It could be a little bit hard. Okay, connect. Oh, what's going on? It could be a little bit hard, guys. I think I need to pause. So yeah, I successfully connected my hard drive. You can see this blue lamp right up here, and the icon of the hard drive has appeared on my laptop, so I can click on it and get access to all of files right up here. So this is the way basically how we can use the hard drive with Mac OS. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful. To use it, just need this thing if you don't have any USB hubs. If you have, you can just input it right up in your Mac. So I hope your life became a little bit easier. Goodbye.